Some furniture tries too hard. It promises luxury, flexibility, and transformation, then collapses under the weight of those words. The MAXYOYO folding sofa bed does not play that game. It shows up quietly, does what it says, and fits into real life without demanding attention. That alone gives it an edge. This sofa bed is built around the idea that homes change throughout the day. Morning seating becomes afternoon lounging. Evening movie time turns into a sleepover. The folding design allows it to move between sofa and bed without complicated parts or hidden mechanisms. Two pieces can be arranged together for a wider resting space or separated to suit the room. This simple flexibility makes it feel less like furniture and more like a useful tool. The L-shaped design adds personality and purpose. The foam armrest works as a headrest when lying down and an armrest when sitting. It attaches with a buckle system that keeps it from sliding away during use. While the attachment hardware is visible and darker than the fabric, it also reinforces what this product is meant to be. This is not a showpiece that stays still. It folds, moves, stores, and adapts. Comfort is where expectations are quietly exceeded. The tufted construction keeps the shredded foam filling evenly distributed, preventing sagging or uneven pressure. The cushions feel thick and supportive, not flimsy or hollow. Children stretch out easily. Smaller adults fit comfortably. Even taller adults find it suitable for lounging or naps, especially when used as a single extended piece. It is not designed to replace a full-size bed, but it was never pretending to be one. The corded fabric deserves attention. It is soft to the touch and visually warm, giving the sofa bed a cozy, relaxed presence. Light colors brighten a room, while darker tones blend well with modern or neutral decor. There is no strong chemical smell upon unpacking, which is often an unspoken concern with compressed furniture. Once released from its vacuum-sealed packaging, the sofa bed regains its shape quickly and continues to expand over the next 48 hours, just as instructed. In daily use, this sofa bed finds its place easily. It becomes a nap spot for toddlers who resist traditional beds. It turns into a movie night lounge where kids, teens, and adults all claim space. Pets seem especially drawn to it, treating it as prime sleeping real estate. For homes that host guests often, it serves as an easy backup bed without needing a dedicated guest room. There are practical trade-offs. The Velcro used for the armrest can feel scratchy when repositioned, and its placement can make attachment less secure than expected. The visible black straps and buckles stand out against lighter fabric, which may bother those focused on aesthetics. These elements can be tucked away when not in use, but they do remind users that this is a functional piece first. Cleaning requires a bit of mindfulness. The fabric is not machine washable, so spot cleaning is necessary. Many owners choose to keep a sheet or cover on it, especially in homes with kids or pets. This sofa bed understands its role. It is comfortable, adaptable, and honest. It does not pretend to be something else. For small spaces, growing families, and homes that value flexibility over perfection, the MAXYOYO folding sofa bed earns its place by being exactly what it claims to be.